right now I'm going to read a piece. It's about nature and its presence and how everything becomes so beautiful and unique when we focus on natural things and nature and its beauty. I like to write about nature and the God's creations and everything. So the piece goes like this. Its title is Nature's Presence. The clouds had been swept away by the wind, and a brilliant deep blue sky arched high over. No more awfully dreary, that gloom's mine. How I wished it to be warm and cozy. Just perfect weather to feel like a butterfly. The water in the lake sparkling like diamonds. Mesmerizing is what I could define the scene. How nice is to get swept away by the nature. Staring at the green tree rises high spirit. How good is to grow and stand tall before all. The birds were chirping in unison sweet melody. There was something comforting in their sound. Blissful calm enough to put heart in peace. Withered flowers and leaves spread on the floor. Wonderful things I discovered just by sitting outside. So the scenery I've described in this poem and all the beauty, to be honest, this is what I felt. It's what I really discovered that day, and I wrote it. This inked my thought. Hope you enjoyed, and please do subscribe, like and share. This is me, Saira Siddiqui, and comment your reviews and opinion. Thank you so much.